That's tears in my eyes. For my shareholders and board members who do not know what it means, it says that the one who will define the fortune of this country. And I cannot say it with enough words and conviction today that everyone at Paytm has actually done that. Slowly, I got humiliated. फ्रंट बेंच से पीछे वाली बेंच पे, फिर पीछे वाली बेंच पे, फाइनली क्लास के बाहर. ये वो टाइम है जब भगवान डिसाइड कर लेता है ये बच्चा किधर जाएगा. मैं कैंटीन की तरफ नहीं गया, मैं कंप्यूटर सेंटर की तरफ गया. एंड दैट इज द टाइम आई लर्नड एंड आई माई हिस्ट्री कैन टीच दैट यूनिवर्स हैज अ बिगर प्लान फॉर यू देन यू कैन एवर हैव अ प्लान. Otherwise, common people in the hostel would go to the hostel or a canteen. But I went to the computer center. Computer center, I just didn't have a clue. पहले मैंने वहाँ पे सर ये प्रिंट आउट में ले आया, पीछे खड़े होके देखा. बाद में धीरे धीरे करके अच्छा बैठ जाओ. I started working on this typewriter called keyboard. Slowly I learned the internet. This is 94, 95. And slowly I found my clues into internet. So I think if investors are lucky and entrepreneurs who can support these entrepreneurs who are going to build new companies are lucky, are those who don't build on a pattern. They build because they see a larger problem, and I think that's a very tough thing to do, to discover and take up on. So, like Bhavish building Ola is not because that there are 3 other taxi companies, I want to build 4th other. There is a natural progression to the story that I was building an Ola Travel, and then I thought that how about building a cross city taxi and then local taxi. There is a linear theory behind it. Inevitably, incredible companies are built out of self-need of entrepreneurs, then out of a pattern that they see and they recreate. I started this company with 3 founders. 2 of them left because 9/11 happened in 2001. I was the left alone guy. So started from 33% equity, became 100% alone, and then came the amazing time of my life. This is the life, the time every one of us faces. This is a time when money is not in the pocket and you are high on your purpose. Classic, right? And this is the time when I would reach office and I'll not have money in the cash flow, but I would do the work. Like एक दिन में जाके कहीं पे email setup कर दिया, किसी का internet चला दिया, किसी दिन जाके lecture दिया है internet का. And that is the money that is helping me run the business. And this live astrology or any other service or content service that we are running runs the business. Slowly, steadily, cash flow goes so negative that having 2 cups of tea in the day became a perk for me. So many times the dinner will be a Coke bottle and a bourbon biscuit. Carbohydrates भी मिलेगा, chocolate भी मिलेगी और high भी मिलेगा. That was my dinner because we don't have money. I also walked Priya Cinema Complex to Kashmiri Gate because I do not have money. 10 रुपए में या तो आप ग्रीन लाइन बस ले लो या फिर पैदल ही चल लो. फिर बाद में कल के दिन में 10 रुपए का खाना मिल जाएगा. That is the life turned to. Slowly and steadily, I decided there is no alternate. There is no exit window to this business. Why? Because when you close your exit doors or sneak out or side roads, that is the only time then you only think that there is only one way I'll go forward, and that is how we kept going forward. And slowly, steadily, we built a business from this stage to a stage where in 2007 I raised Series A of money. So for